trust you are doing good this morning. Hope you are playing safe. I remain Tutor Lawal. I want to take you on mathematics, and the topic before us is algebra, open sentence. When there are missing numbers or unknown in a sum or equation, it is called algebra. What is an equation? An equation is a number or a number sentence in which one thing is equal to something. Now, for instance, example, let's say we are given m plus 3 equals 12. M plus 3 equals 12. That is, in a certain number is added to 3 to get 12. What is that number? We want to find out. Now, let's note this rule. Rules. When you are moving a sign from any side to the other side, the sign must change. For instance, when you are moving your plus from the right hand side to the left hand side, it must change to a negative sign, which is minus. So, now the rule says, when moving a sign from one side to the other, it changes. E.g., when moving a plus sign, a plus sign to the other side of the numbers, the other side, it changes to negative sign. It changes to negative sign, and vice versa. Now let's go back to our equation. We are given m plus 3 equals 12. We want to find our m. What is m? That is being added to 3 to get 12. So now, going back to the rules, we say when we are moving our sign from this side to the other side, it must change. Now, we want to move our 3 from right hand side here to the left hand side. So we have 12. This plus 3 will change to what? Minus 3. So by the time you take away 3 from 12, you have 9. That is, our m equals 9. It is 9 that is being added to 3 to get 12. Now let's check if our equation is correct. Since m equals 9, so put m in the equation above. That is 9 plus 3 equals 12. So correct. Now we go to example 2. We are still on algebra, open sentence. So you might add your missing number on the right hand side or on the left hand side. Take for instance, you have 15 equals n plus 5. 15 equals n plus 5. Our total number or our sum is 15, but certain numbers is added to 5 to get 15. So what is that number? And remember again, the sign says, irrespective of where we have the sign, if you are moving it from one place to the another, it must change. So now we are moving our 5 now to 15 because they belong to the same family. They are numbers, while n is a letter. So now we have 15 minus 5 equals n. 15 minus 5 equals n. Letter stands on its own while the digit comes together. Now plus 5 is coming to 15 to have minus 5. So now when you take away 5 from 15, you have 10 equals n. That is, our n is 10. It is 10 that is being added to 5 to get 15. So let's check if our equation is correct. 15 equals 10 plus 5. So when you add your 10 plus 5, it gives you 15. You can see. So that means our n equals 10. Correct. Now after this phase, we move to the negative aspect of the equation. Negative aspect of the equation. Excuse me. We move to the negative aspect of the equation. Now, example 1. When you have b minus 12 equals 14. b minus 12 equals 14. The rule still remains the same. Knowing fully well that when you are moving your sign, irrespective of any sign it is, now we are having a negative sign here. When you are moving your minus sign now to this other side, it changes to positive sign, which is plus. So we have our b equals 14 plus 12. Note again, we are moving this 12 to 14 because they are digits, while b is a letter. So when you are moving your 12 to the other side, the sign between changes to positive. So we have b equals 14 plus 12. Now b equals, you can use your tens and units. That is, you have your 14 and you have your 12. So you add together. Start adding your digits from the unit side. This is our unit and this is our tens. So when you add 2 plus 4 gives us 6. Then 1 plus 1 gives 2. So our b equals 26. That is 26 is the actual sum of that equation, whereby 12 is being taken from 26, where we have 14 as our answers. So now let's check. We have 26 minus 12 equals 14. That is 26 minus 12. Remember I say when you want to do your tens and units, you start your operation from the unit side, which is 6 and 2. These are units. So when you take away 2 from 6, you have 4. And when you take away 1 from 2, you have 1. So is correct. I hope you understand it, class. Now I recap again. Algebra means when you have a missing numbers or unknown numbers like a letter in any given equation. And what does equation means is a sentence in which one thing is equal to the other. Now, I said when you are given a digit comprises of a letter, you want to know that letter. So what do? You try to marry the digits together to get the unknown, which is the letters. So now, which I have done in these examples, we have 15 equals n plus 5. Now we want to bring this together to know our n. So, and the rule says when you are moving your signs or your numbers from any side, the sign before it changes to the other. So now this 5 is having a plus sign. When you're moving it, it changes to negative sign. So we have 15 minus 5 equals n. So now when you take away 5 from 15, you have 10. Our n equals 10. That is, the unknown number now has been known. It is what? 10. So now on this negative sign, it's still the same rules and the same ways of solving. So we have your b here equals 12. B minus 12 equals 14. When you are moving your 12 now, because they are both digits, you have to move your 12 to 14. So you are moving it, the sign changes from negative sign to a positive sign to get your b. So now we have moved the 12 to 14 to have a positive sign. So b now equals 14 plus 12. Don't just add orally. Make use of the tens and units. Now we've added our 12 and 14 together. And in any addition you're doing, make sure you start the addition from unit sign. So from the unit side, we have 4 plus 2 equals 6 and 1 plus 1 equals 2. Our b is 26. I hope it's understood. So